要介紹嘅時候，不如兩位靚女都放低支咪，開始畫你哋自己嘅作品啦，好嗎？台上面有啲紅色嘅馬仔喺度，咁你哋可以隨便揀嚟上顏色。And we also introduce this one.
This horse is based on the traditional costume that we have in Sweden. Every area in Sweden has their own costume. So it's based on the scarf on that costume.
So from your hometown.
Yes.
OK， 好。但頭先我哋講到咧，喺呢一個馬仔上面嘅圖案咧，其實會有好多唔同嘅特色嘅。其中呢一個咧就係瑞典，佢哋有分開咗唔同嘅一啲地方啦，而每個地方咧都有自己嘅民族特色㗎。好似而家呢一個手上面咧，就係佢哋自己本身居住嘅嗰一個城市嘅一個 scarf， 一個披肩上面嘅嗰一種圖案嚟㗎。咁所以咧特別將呢一種帶到去現場呢一度俾大家可以睇下嘅。好啦，咁啊，趁住呢個時間咧，不如我哋都介紹一下關於今次嘅展覽啦。因為喺我哋嘅展覽館裏面啦，其實有好多唔同嘅作品喺度。除咗頭先講到一啲好有年代歷史嘅作品啦，有唔同嘅喺瑞典當中小城市裏面特色嘅作品啦，有佢哋公司裏面家族所創作嘅作品啦，仲有小朋友女受浸嘅時候生日嘅時候頭先講到諾貝爾獎頒發嘅時候甚至係瑞典國旗嘅顏色都喺我哋嘅展覽裏面見到嘅，所以今次咧希望為大家帶嚟一個充滿北歐色彩嘅聖誕節㗎。好啦，喺呢個時候咧，我見到Auntie 已經完成咗呢個嘅作品啦，不如我哋攞起俾大家睇下好嗎？ So you can hold this for taking a picture。不如咁樣啦，我哋咧就請Carl 啦，同埋媽咪啦，同埋我哋聖誕女郎一齊影張相先。So we take the first picture together。